This is, we should have got equal chairs or something.
Well, I equal out now. That's why I was having a fan on it kind of. Hey guys, welcome back to a Halloween edition, Flash Custom Transfers. Ooh, scary. So we are here, guys, to introduce to you, we're gonna get right into it, to introduce to you the brand new, as you guys can see it here on the table, 22 by 60. 22 by 60. So Chelly and I have been working very hard to create another sheet for you guys, right? So people ask about, what is the 36 or the 48?
48, yeah.
Right?
You guys want massive sheets. You know, we have our standard size, 22 by 24, and we always give the people what they want.
Yes.
Whatever you guys asked for, you wanted pre-made sheets, you wanted free stock images, you wanted bigger gang sheets.
Right, yeah, so everybody right now asks for like, well, if I send you a 22 by 48, it's the exact same. So this right here, this is a prime example. This is a 22 by 48, right? This whole thing.
Which is 2 sheets.
2 sheets, exactly 2 sheets. So even if we did offer a 22 by 48, it's gonna cost you the same exact thing as if you just purchased 2 sheets, right? It's like exactly no difference. So we try to figure out where's the money gonna be and stuff like that. Where does it make business sense and where does it make sense for the customer? And that's when we came up with 22 by 60, which is exactly 5 feet tall. So let's slide this underneath.
5 feet tall, guys. That's about how tall I am.
Yes, exactly. So 5 feet, we can actually stand up and show you guys how long this is. So this is a 22 by 60. And these images are huge. I specifically did this gang sheet to show you guys. This right here is like a 13 by 11. Oh, no, like an 11 by 13 or something like that. Another huge image here. This is either a 12 by 12. Yeah, I think this is a 12 by 12.
Huge.
And then, let's see, because we got the ruler here.
Here we go.
What do we got? Oh, sorry. What do we got? So what is it,
11 by 12.
11 by 12 here. This one is big. Like I wanted to make sure, and we got all these up here. I wanted to do this, and we can go ahead and put it down and put it. So I wanted to create the gang sheet for the channel to show you guys that, because this one is a lot of small 4-inch images. And then if you put a few big ones, you kind of run out of space. But this right here, this 22 by 48 is 40 bucks. If you get 2 sheets, it's the same math, 22 by 24. If you double that, it's 22 by 48, right? But when you go to 22 by 60, how much is it gonna cost?
$5 more.
$5 more.
So you get half a sheet for half the price.
Yes, essentially.
No.
It's,
no.
I don't know what she's doing. She's going, yeah. So anyway, so this sheet right here costs you guys 40 bucks because one 22 by 24 is $19.99, 20 bucks, right? If you get 2, that's 40. But how much do you think this sheet right here is, right? So 22 by 48 is 40 bucks, but we wanted to price the brand new 22 by 60 at just an additional $5, $44.99.
$45.
$45. So for $45, you guys get the brand new 22 by 60 gang sheet. And again, I tried to use some images. I tried to use some really big ones. These are what? These are, I think these are 11. Are they
maybe 10?
10.
Standard is 10. I want you to do
this one?
measure these.
This one is huge.
So that's 12.
13, 14. Probably more because 12 is right here and it's like another inch.
Put the ruler over there.
Okay, so put the ruler right there.
So 12.
12 by
13,
14, 15.
Really like 16, right?
Right.
That bear's ear is higher.
16.
Why do you need images that big?
I'm just saying people will be able to do it. And that is 10, like 9.5, 10.
So 10 by 16.
10 by 16.
Wow, that's humongous.
That's a huge image because a lot of people ask for big images and maybe now you have that extra, just for an extra $5, you get all this extra space to fit all these things. So not only can you do all these 27 images on one sheet, on one sheet, 4-inch images that you can fit. Now you can do that and more. So you can fit your big images on the sheet, your little images, and like Chelly said, Carl, you could have, why didn't you fill in more, right? There's a bunch of more little spaces that you could have did the 2x2s and stuff like that.
Yeah,
so
definitely. There's a lot of space in here that we could have maximized. So it's just beneficial because you can even put more on here.
Definitely.
More
100%.
and more. And you can for people that do have custom apparel businesses and you don't have your own brand, you could probably knock out 2 or 3 people's order just this sheet. So you maximize your profit, you maximize your space and your time, really.
Yeah.
So you can just knock everybody's order out with one sheet for $45.
45 bucks.
60 inches.
60 inches,
It's
guys.
really a game changer. So we're really excited to present this to you guys because this could have saved me a lot of time when I was making, custom apparel without weeding and all of that. So you send us your image, we print it, you press.
Yes, exactly. And it is available on the website. I'm glad that you brought up vinyl too. We're not going to take too much time of your guys' time. We're not going to take too much time in this video of your guys' time, but we're just really excited about this 60-inch sheet. We'll be doing more videos about it, but I do want to do a video soon that you spoke on vinyl because people are still using it and I just don't know why. I know that there's a small place, especially for like glass and stuff like that, but I want to go back into those videos and let people know because we got a lot of people kind of getting into the business. So I just want to put that content out there, just kind of refresh.
Yeah, back to the basics.
Back to the
That's
basics,
how I like to back to the basics. We do have a lot of new viewers and not a lot of new customers.
Yes.
Don't really know maybe where we started and
Exactly.
how we started. Back to the basics. Vinyl and sublimation was not the way to go.
No, definitely not the way to go. You want to always offer a full color transfer 24/7. And even if not, this right here, this logo I was only able to ever do, my straight outta content logo, I was only able to ever do with vinyl because of course it'll print a full transfer, but all of this space in here would be white and it would just make the, oh, this is actually vinyl right here.
Oh,
But this is falling apart. Yeah, it's falling apart and fading. But the transfer would make it like a really big plasticky, like this.
Yeah, yeah,
like this
for
is
sure.
huge. So when you press this, even after you wash it, you will be able to feel it a lot. But with transfers, you can just print the silhouette of it. Just the same design as this, you can just print that. So now I don't have to weed because we used to have to print this.
Oh my God.
You know what I mean?
And it would take, it was a 12 by 12. So it would
12
take
by
a
12.
whole sheet of vinyl.
Yeah, you're right.
And I'm like, all right, we would go through so many vinyls because he always wanted a hoodie. So it's great. And then we would have to weed, boom.
And I was doing $35 hoodies. So I could do the exact same image. Another one here. So let's see, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8. I'd be able to fit 9 and then plus a bunch of little ones for the sleeve right here. So 9 huge images. And that's just my image. If my image was circle or a different shape, it might even fit more. But 9 big images for $45. And I was selling my hoodies because I only put them on hoodies for 35, 40 bucks a hoodie. You guys are making one hoodie, you're gonna make your money back. One hoodie, you're gonna break even.
Yeah, this is
know
15 images.
Oh, this is 15?
15.
No.
It's
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Oh, 16 images. Yeah.
16
so
images,
imagine the profit margin on 16 different designs on one sheet is crazy.
Yeah, because our logo is just this. So that's 8 shirts right there, bong out the way, and then, all these other ones. You got the Houston Astros, you know what I mean? Again, I just created... but I just wanted to just throw a bunch of images on there just to create like a true gang sheet because if this is how a true gang sheet should look. This is all your, like Chelly had mentioned, this is for different customers. You got some Dragon Ball Z customers, you got some cool
Houston Astros and
customers.
The, Bear Design.
Bear Design, and you're making some for another company, you know what I mean? All for just $45, $44.99, you know how we do. And remember, if you do anything over $99, it's gonna be free shipping. So guys, go on the website right now. It is up 22 by 60 inch sheets. We hope it's a game changer. You guys know we like to do things. Hey, let's drop the price to $15. And then nobody wanted to buy. So now we're back to $19.99.
No, I think this will do really well. I have a lot of people who's always contacting me about bigger transfers.
Oh, really?
So
Okay.
yeah. So I'm excited. We'll see if this is really what the people want.
Okay, yeah. Definitely, guys, go show us that you guys really want this. I don't see us really taking it anywhere, taking it off the website, because to offer a 22 by 60.
No, I think it's good to have a standard size and then a
That's what I want to touch on. So
size.
we have the one sheet, right? It's a super low price of $19.99, right?
For sure.
For one, right? And that gets you very close to just getting one image. So if you just wanted this right here, instead of going to buy the vinyl and having to cut it or whatever, you could just get a 22 by 24 gang sheet, $20, bang, bang, easy, right? And then our next deal after that is the what? Buy 5, get 2 free? right?
Buy one, get free. Buy 5, get 1 free.
Buy 5, get 1 free.
Yes.
You're correct. Buy 10, get 2 free, right?
Yes.
So we wanted to make a deal for you guys in between that. So the 1 and the 5, and it's like, well, if I buy 2, it's $40. And then we're like, well, you know what? What's the next best deal? So then we're like, you know what? The next best deal, because if you buy 3, that's going to be $60. But if you buy the 60-inch, which is like 2.5 sheets, it's only another $5. So normally, like I said, you would spend $40 for this 22 by 48 right here with all the, and this is a big sheet.
No,
for only
it is.
$40. All of these images, 27 times 2, because 27 fit on this gang sheet, and this is double. So 27 times 2, I don't know what the heck that is right now. But anyway, so you have all those images, and then now you still have another, look at this.
Look at that.
You still have another foot of images to add for just $5, guys. So if I were you, please take advantage of our 22 by 60. Please take advantage of our 22 by 60. If you're like, dang, I wish I could just have a few more and you're at 2 sheets, listen, go ahead, spend that extra $5. That extra cinco dólares, and get that 22 by 60, because we offer it now, guys. We appreciate it. You know what I mean? So that's gonna be it. Shelly's gonna take the kids to trick-or-treating, and I'm gonna go upload this video. So
and we love you. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Thank you for everyone who purchased our pre-made Halloween sheets. We appreciate you. Thank you for everyone who complimented our Halloween set. This is the last day of the Halloween set. I enjoyed it. You enjoyed it. It was really fun. We do have pre-made Thanksgiving sheets right now, and free stock images for instant download for Halloween and Christmas. We'll have our pre-made.
Free images on Thanksgiving.
Oh, I said Halloween?
Yeah.
I meant to say Thanksgiving and Christmas. And then this week I will have the pre-made gang sheets for Christmas. So we are in holiday season and I'm excited. So 'tis the season of all the seasons. We love you. Happy Halloween 2022. And that is it.
Look forward to us to change this, and look forward to all those Thanksgiving and
we appreciate
Christmas.
You guys.
We're gonna do.
Yeah, I love this.
Christmas.
We both love the seasons of Halloween and Thanksgiving and Christmas, and you guys are enjoying it too. So
I will be working on a website tonight to change the whole theme.
We got a lot to do. The season changing is a lot behind the scenes, but we really enjoy it. We really do.
Well, maybe we should put a Christmas tree, because you know we got the globe. Maybe we'll do like a Christmas tree with flash going around a Christmas tree or something.
Oh yeah.
You know what I mean? That'll be cool. So that's it.
Yeah. We love you guys. I appreciate you so much. Happy Halloween. Y'all be safe and don't get tummy aches eating all that candy.
Yeah, be safe out there, because they tripping for Halloween.
Not this year.
Okay. Hope the Astros lose. Peace.
What? Go Astros.
Hope the Astros lose. Peace. Hope the Astros lose.
Oh, we have pre-made Astros sheets as well. Yeah. And free instant download stock images for Astros. All made in house. Didn't you put them on the website?
The Astros images?
Bundle? You didn't do that?
Probably not, because it's the Astros.
Okay, my husband didn't put the bundle on because he's a hater.
Go Yankees. Peace.
Beetlejuice.